And welcome back to Flexible Games, where we are playing Automation Empire. Alright, I rethought this design. I've actually been playing around with it for a while. And I thought, how am I going to get these, like, where do they need to go efficiently? And I thought, you know, I've got those colored connectors now. You know, I should be able to put those to good use. So I've got the bottom here, or this area over here, this is the green, and this is the red over here. So what I want to do is I want to say, hey, how about green is green? Let's do one of these and these. Green is green, orange is red, or yellow, or whatever color that's supposed to be. Okay, so we have two different products being made over here. Now, I don't think these connect to one another. Directly connects a container within the same factory. The container must be set to a matching color in order to form a connection. Only one container per factory is set to a given color. So I can only have one tank set to green and only one tank set to orange. So if I want a combiner, if I want to say... where's a good combiner setup? Like this, right? I could only have one of these and one of these connected to the colors that I want. So how am I going to connect all the rest of these that I want? Good question. It's a good question. One way I think I can do it, and now that we are set, I think I can start the refining process. So let's unpause it. And get these guys going again. Are you skipping? You're skipping too. Okay, good. So 6 there for evens. There we go. Beautiful. I mean, they're slow, but we don't need it to be super fast. Not right now. We just need enough to be able to research. So now, finally, look at that. We've got our first refined stuff going in now. Thank goodness. And what are these? What are these? 1 every 8 seconds. So we can actually refine it way faster. Because we're getting 1 every 10 seconds. So we're getting... basically 2 every 10 seconds. And we're able to refine... whew. Yeah, these can support a lot. Like a whole lot. A crazy amount, in fact. And look at that, we've got green grain. Let's get some red grain stuff going on over here. There we go. Now we're talking. There we go. So 1 every 9 seconds. So we're getting, you know, 2 every 10 seconds. Or 1 every 5 seconds. That's roughly 3 refiners. So we're able to support a metric ton of grain. So if we want to keep this factory for red grain when the time comes and add just a whole bunch of refining steps to this, I'm probably going to end up destroying this whole setup and restarting it. So let's not worry about that too much. One of the things I want to do, I want to get a tank. Okay, first let's do combiner. Let's do this in reverse here. If we're doing it in reverse, let's do it really in reverse. We're gonna do a refiner. So, or not a refiner, a thingy. So you there and there. A refiner goes into that, into that. We have... I don't know if we need tanks. I don't think we need tanks. Let's do... Can we connect these directly to a pulley pipe. We could. That'd be a really thin setup, but it would work. And then last color is going to be used for this. Okay. So what I would need is a tank. Like, I would need a tank like right here. No, I would need this. I would need it like right there. Because then we have the pushy pipe. Oh, no, see, I knew I did it right the first time. Don't doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself. Pushy pipe goes out. And then this here. Pushy pipe goes out. Then we have just a simple cart system to connect these. This cart can go out this way. This cart can go out this way to connect them. Now, I doubt I need more than like 2 of these, but I'm going to leave enough lovely space here for 2 of them. And then the final color of connector, which I think was blue, pretty much, here. So one side is going to be green, so let's make this one green. One side is going to be the yellow. We'll make that one yellow. And why aren't we get? Oh, you know, I forgot a step here. I forgot a step, an important step. Would help to get that going. Should have a little bit of this, right? Now, do you need water? Let's check. Recipes. Red grain and green grain. I don't see a water icon. But let's hook up water anyway. It's because we have it like right here. So like right there. I mean, that's uses a little bit extra water, but it saves us a little money on time and cost and all that things. Now let's make sure there's no like red grain, green grain sort of thing and stuff. Carbon meal, okay. I don't know what carbon meal, it sounds scrumptious. Alright, this is now full. This is lovely. Red grain is on its way. Let's add a couple. I would like you to skip everyone. You to also skip everyone. You. Wait, why did you skip? What? Ah, I see why. There we go. They're not pulling in, they're only pulling what they need. So that helps. So we may be able to get by doing another one of these. For now, let's get a big tank. Like right. We don't need it to be super fancy. This is going to connect to blue. Oh, please tell me I can do this. Do I need a pipe pusher thing? Oh my lord. That just upsets me that I can't do something like that. That I have to have one of the transfer tubey things. I was hoping to wait until this, like, empties out. It would have been so nice. It would have been so nice to have that work. But of course, I did it over here, so why would it suddenly miraculously work here? Unfortunately, I gotta clear that out. That was just a whole lot of wasted stuff there. Remove. Let's try to get this in here. This has to go. I need a pump. And I don't think we're going to be able to wiggle around this thing. Not even remotely close. So this side is going to require tanks. It's just part of the... Oh my god. So yeah, we have to have a tank set up over here. So this strictly to do that, right? That's the only reason. So red grain is going to be far more consumed than green grain. And I would like to now... Mr. Minecart, sir, can you... There you go. Step it up a little bit. Okay. Now, this to here, to there, and just to verify, this needs to be yellow. Otherwise, okay, let's skip every one. There we go. Now we're using some red grain. And then I can take a big tank. Still have enough room, thank goodness. And make this blue. I don't think this will ever fill. Like, this is 30 and this is 30. So the most this will ever be 40. So unfortunately, yeah, that's a waste. But it is what it is. You know what? I have never used one of these. A longer ground tube. Like, what? Is this just a... I don't know. Maybe I'll use that in a build somewhere. All right, so we finally have grain meal. Let's go over and check our oil. And are you empty? You are not empty. Which means these are probably full. I was hoping to catch these before they filled up, but I guess we just remove them. Because I want to use these here as the grain guys. Because we've already got them like pointed over here. It's just a matter of trying to weave them around and get them all around up in here and get them way over to here to load up with some grain meal, that is. Oh yeah, that's right. Processing contents. Completely spaced. You know what? I'm just gonna doink doink. There. Is everybody back up again? You know, I should really like Oh, I guess those are pretty much connected to one another. Get an alternate connection going. Okay, there we go. I hope the poles don't take power. How are we doing over here? Oh, we're still full. Still full. How are we doing on our 17.8 is our record so far. And our steel plates are hurting. Gold plates doing pretty good. Steel plates, I might want to just transfer all steel plates over to gold plates. And just maximize gold plates because we get more weight. Gold plates are way up there. The second most heavy thing. As far as money goes, gold plates are just a step above steel, which is weird. But as far as weight goes, yeah, we get a lot of good weight out of them. And so, yeah, that might be wise to increase this setup. It would be a royal pain to change this up. We can definitely put another... Do I not have enough space? I don't. Okay, so that one is never filled. So that tells me this needs to be changed. Like so. Because this, I can't add any more carts unless I research the ability to do so. 150,000. 75. 200,000. 225,000. 250,000. Woo! That was some stuff and things. Oh, another big load of weight going out. All the gold. And the gold fuel and the steel plates should go out by the end of the month. And that I mean, I'm pushing really close to what I need. Like 18,000 is what I need to unlock that. And I'm getting really close to that. It's just going to take like a perfect storm of deliveries in order to do that. And where are my steel plates? Oh, they're going that way. That's a problem. That's why I kind of want to either, you know, pick one or the other, steel plates or gold plates, because we can make gold plates. I got a lot of room for extra factory space over here. We could really go ham on that. We have lots of gold plate production capabilities over here, or steel plate. And I could put more of these on here. And if I did that, I might have to do a little bit of this. Okay. 18, look at that, we got it. We got it. No, I didn't want to pause. 18,000, we did it. I can't believe that. All right, so in here, we're going to want this little guy. I know this is going to be sort of slow. But we're going to want them to then go up. We're going to want to go over. Oh, this is going to be fun. Let's go up and around. that way. Very circuitous route, but it is what it is. Yeah, I could go higher than this, but I don't think there's a speed boost if we go higher. Let's go right in. See if we can't get right in there. Let's finalize this. Okay, so we do have a little bit of wiggle room here. Like this can come in right here. If we can get this there, that would be perfect. That would work with this spot over here. Right there. That would work. Okay, let's get a door. Yeah, the edge scrolling on this game is a little annoying. I might have to turn that off. Bingo. Okay. Circuitous route, but it gets us where we need to go. And yeah, let's put on, I don't know how many. Each one of these initially is going to require 2 carts, so that's 2, 4, 6. Let's put 8 carts on there to start. How did we do last month? Not bad. 18,232. Another train set coming in here. Good, good, good. All right, this is now cruising. Yeah, I'm not sure if the one that's too high is faster, but I don't think it is. Let me know if you guys have experimented. If anybody's experimented with minecart speed. All right, all of the grain meal. Yes. Remember, this is just to research. This is the only reason I'm making this stuff. Once the research is done, once I get this, 300 of these done, I'm going to completely tear down green. Because ethanol, which is the next thing that we're going to want, is made only with red. So I'm going to transition everything over, probably destroy this whole setup. It's just, I just don't want to deal. And then optimize it for ethanol, because we need to bring oil in here. And oil is way over here. I don't even know if we're using oil at the moment. Like, are we even selling oil at all? I don't think we are. We're selling steel plates, and gold fuel, which I don't think... Yeah, that takes coal and gold. And we don't have very much gold at all. What happened to our gold supply? Wowzars. I might have to assist. Wow. Okay. I won't deal with that just yet, but I want to make sure these... Have these started? These have started. Glorious. Let's use up... I just want to... I want to start, you know, adding Because this is going to be 800,000, which we have now, which is good. But this one, 5 million. So yeah, I'm going to need to start stacking up research points big time. So where does this go? This gold fuel is for research. Okay, that makes sense. A little bit of it is for research. The rest... It's hard to believe that my gold is that in that bad of shape. I mean, these are full. It'd be so nice to be able to double track this. To be able to, like, link the tracks up. So this gold is coming from over here. Yeah, we're pretty empty over here. I don't know of any other gold in the area. So this deposit is pretty full. Wonder if I can supplement. Either that or just combine the two and get rid of capacitors, because I really don't need to be dealing with these right now. So I could pump everything into gold plates. But what does this need? Yeah, these are all research. So all this stuff is research. We are done with that. And now it's just a waiting game. Now I just need to wait until these, you know, fill up enough and I can collect them. And then the 300 is this number right in here. It's 300 iterations of this research. So one thing I could do, possibly maybe, is combine these. So I could have this guy looping around, adding to these, looping this way, adding to all of these, and get there faster. I might actually do that, because that's... let's just remove these carts. Since we don't have a whole lot of gold to begin with, the only problem... Yeah, I'm going to have to... let's just add a couple carts here. Just because I want these to max out. I want to get enough there. Once they hit this point, I'll take the carts away. And then once the carts are away, they can just drain out. And once they're empty, then I can collect. And then I can swap these over. Because this one I could actually go out, around, through here and be a little bit more efficient with my path. All right, so that is the plan of in between episodes. I won't make you wait through all of that stuff. We're just gonna roll with it. And yeah, we'll come back and this will all be reset in here. All right, well, that's going to do it for this episode. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.